Hey guys, so sorry it glitched out again. This is part 3 though. So I'm mixing in my red now.
I'm coloring mine. Don't show it.
She's
No, you just ruined the surprise.
mine got stuck in a tissue.
He's like, mine got stuck in a tissue.
Now there's tissue in it.
But that's good for the slime.
No, it makes it really bad.
Let's just add some of the shaving foam stuff, whatever. Okay, finished.
That is not a nice heart now.
Well, because you bumped me.
Here, I'm gonna do this, and while you do that, I'm gonna add more red, and I'm going to make a little surprise for them.
Am I allowed to see it?
Yeah,
I'm
you're allowed
standing
to
right
see
next
it.
to you, so yeah.
Yeah, you're allowed to see it.
And then we're gonna mix them together. This is a fail. We tried to film this like 5 million times, and we kept failing.
So we did it in 3 parts.
First time I accidentally pressed the home button trying to take a screenshot. Secondly, when she was showing her thing, she accidentally pressed the next button and we had to refilm the whole thing. But we just named it part 2 and now we have part 3 and hopefully it doesn't mess up again, so yeah.
Okay, I made mine.
It's
a little doggy.
It's Snoopy.
It wasn't Snoopy, but
Okay, it looks like Snoopy though.
not really. I'm just gonna put this right
Stop judging.
here for you guys.
Don't disagree with me.
Sylvia's making a little new surprise for you guys.
Okay.
My phone did not, totally didn't break glass.
What the heck?
It totally didn't break anything.
Yeah.
Just kidding, guys, it didn't.
Why were you blinking at me before so weirdly?
I was winking, so you wouldn't
This
say.
is what she was doing to me. Something was in the toaster. It's fine. Okay, I finished.
She made a really pretty flower.
Pilly?
Pretty.
Pitty.
Pitty.
Flower. Pitty. My flower's not pitty. Excuse you.
You were the one who said pity.
I said pretty.
You said pity.
You said pitty.
You said pity, and then
We
I
both said
mimicked-
pitty, okay? How about
You said
that?
pity, then I mimicked you.
But I said pretty.
You said pity.
Fine, whatever. I said pitty, apparently. Why do you wink so weirdly? She tried to wink.
I felt like winking, okay?
Like, what the heck?
I made a watermelon, but it didn't look like a watermelon.
What is
So I'm
that?
just gonna color the whole thing, guys.
That was supposed to be a watermelon.
Now it's not, because I did this.
I'm gonna make mine something. Okay, what is yours supposed to
Wait,
be? Intestines?
No, I need to see them mix.
It
They
looks
need
like
to see-
intestines. Like
But not
guts?
intestines.
Human guts?
Guys, you know what there is? There's a such thing called tripe soup, which is cow intestines in a soup. And it sounds disgusting, but if any of you out there like it, sorry. I just think I don't think I'd ever try it. Plus, I really don't like meat, so I don't think I'd like cow intestines.
You don't like meat?
Not really. I only like chicken.
And hot dogs.
No, I don't like hot dogs anymore. They disgust me when I eat them.
Okay, whatever.
Especially cold hot dogs.
Oh, I hate cold hot dogs.
That's gross.
Who likes cold hot dogs?
Guys, wait,
Here's mine. It's called Bloody Massacre.
It's not a massacre.
It's called the Bloody Mess. Looks like someone was bleeding. I've never made a red slime.
Really?
Mhm.
Can I show them this?
Hold on, not right now. I have to mix mine though. Kind of important.
Okay, guys, so since she made you a heart and I accidentally bumped into her,
Oopsies.
sorry about that.
Yeah, I'm still kind of mad.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't accept it.
I made you guys another heart. Yours is huge. It's a heart inside a heart.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Thank you. I did it in memory of you.
Like I didn't in memory of you.
Like you're totally dead. Guys, I want to make you a surprise on camera, so it's not a surprise. So, I think I'm going to make, I don't know if this is going to work.
She's like, I don't know what this is
A little star.
Little star.
Now I'm just gonna, dot around the outside and mix it in for you. What are you doing?
Don't ask.
She's cleaning a fork with a tissue.
Trying to shape this. Sorry.
Should we mix it in now?
No, I'm not done yet.
Neither am I, honestly.
Wait.
So, guys, we're gonna end this vid pretty soon.
Not really. It's only been 5 minutes.
But like in like
Wait,
a
can I
minute or
have the
two.
marker really, really quickly? Why is there so much more pinker than mine? Look at mine. Mine's tan. I need it more than you do.
And it's like
I think this is gonna be the
it's
last
a brown
one that we do.
person.
I think mine's gonna be.
Oh,
the last
she's
one.
making a heart inside a heart again.
But with a heart inside of it.
Okay.
Look. It's a heart inside of a heart.
And I have to also do one more thing.
That's gonna be the last one though because there's too many.
Yeah.
I need a lot of red. Let me just like. Sorry guys, this is really cringy. I'm just like.
Yeah. Sorry.
I need a lot of red. Mine's like brown. It's not even like red or pink. Not even. It's not even peach.
Can I have that?
Don't ask. Things are happening. This looks wrong. Oh God.
What?
That looks wrong.
This?
Oh God. No, whatever. What I was doing. Did you see it? I was shoving the marker into the slime and like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wrong.
It's awkward.
Awkward.
Are you doing a heart inside of a heart inside of a heart inside of a heart inside of a heart?
Yeah.
My nose is so stuffy. It's so annoying.
Sicky.
I'm not sicky. Just say I have a stuffy.
Sicky.
I'm not
Sicky,
sicky.
Mississippi.
If I was sicky, then why would I be in school?
And why would I be here?
Exactly.
Sicky, Mississippi.
So that's why I'm not sicky. I'm
Sicky,
just a
sicky.
well, person thingy. Percy? Normie? I don't know. Okay, we're weird.
Okay, guys.
My turn. Your turn. Give me the marker.
That's the
really
heart.
quickly.
Sorry, it's upside down. You guys
Can I
like,
have the marker? Okay, here we go.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna mix it together. Mine looks really pretty on camera.
Oh, it does. It matches this kind of, but like not really. Just like kind of, you know. If you know
There's
what
some
I
on a tissue.
mean. Box.
Okay. And then we're gonna mix them together and show you guys the final. You have to make that better, or I'm not mixing this in.
That's so mean.
Make it like my color.
Well, it's not my fault.
Can't you just put some red food coloring in?
No.
Or like a
No, you're not grabbing it. What are you doing? You're not using the paint either. What the heck? That's a lot of paint. Sophie used the paint.
Shut up. Or I will run out. I will freaking kill you. Well, I
Sophie
won't-
used the paint.
Well, I won't kill you.
You
But-
used the paint. Sophie freaking used the paint.
Shut up.
Sophie used the paint. Like, oh my god.
Stop.
Mine looks like
Please
blood.
stop.
It's red. It looks like intestines. It's kind of gross.
Mine looks really pretty on camera too again.
Oh yeah, it looks like red velvet. Can you show mine really quickly?
Yeah. Then we're
I
gonna
like your sock. I'm not wearing any. Ooh, mine's pretty too.
split yours in half, and I'm gonna split mine in half
Why?
because we're gonna each mix in half of yours with half of mine. Oh my! It doesn't really stick to the carpet though.
Yeah,
And
because it's like really quickly. Yours is more red than mine. It's like darker.
yeah, because mine's smaller and easier to get done.
Yeah. Okay, it's like the same thing.
Guys,
so.
it's like really pretty.
Okay, now let's mix it together. Woo, this. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, yeah. Okay.
And I'm like, ugh.
Okay.
Yeah.
we
Wait,
finished.
stretch it, and I crack it.
Oh, this. Wait, hold on. Grab the camera. I'm gonna make a boo boo.
And then can I make a
And then
boo-boo?
we have to clean up.
Yeah, and I also have to make a boo-boo.
Ooh, maybe double boo boo. Wait, I'm gonna try again so that.
I'm just gonna split right now, casually.
Hold on, you have to only make a boo boo.
I cracked my knee.
Ready? It'll be a very nice boo boo. Boo boo.
Boo-boo.
Ooh, nice boo boo.
Can I make boo-boo now?
Yeah.
I also want to make like a crack-a-lack or two. Fill my boo-boo.
your bubble.
I'm going to do a crack. No, I'll do the. Should I do the crack first or after?
After.
Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to make a bubble with this.
I made 2 bubbles, so I think it's possible.
That's one bubble.
You get to make 2.
That was my one bubble.
Here's your second one. And
Second bubble.
you're really bad at making bubbles.
Well, I can't do it with this slime.
I can.
And then
Crackle-lackle.
crackle-lackle. And
That's nice.
bye, guys.
Bye.